Is your smartphone running slower than a snail in a traffic jam? Apps taking forever to open? Typing feels like it's stuck in slow motion? Don't worry, you don't need a new phone just yet. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a slow smartphone and make it run like new. First, let's quickly understand why your phone is slowing down. It could be due to 1. Too many background apps eating up memory. 2. Storage almost full, making your phone struggle to process data. 3. Software bugs or outdated apps slowing things down. 4. Overheating, which forces your phone to reduce performance. 5. Old battery issues, which can limit processing power. But don't worry, let's fix it step by step. 1. Restart your phone. A simple restart clears temporary files and refreshes system memory. Try this first before anything else. 2. Close unused apps. Too many open apps drain RAM. Close the ones you don't need to free up memory. 3. Clear cache and junk files. Over time, apps store temporary files that slow things down. Go to Settings, locate Storage, and click on Clear Cache to free up space. 4. Delete unused apps and files. Low storage equals low speed. Uninstall apps you don't use, move photos to cloud storage, and delete old files. Outdated software can cause lag. Keep your phone up to date. 6. Reduce animations and effects. Fancy effects make your phone look cool, but they slow it down. Disable them in developer options for a speed boost. If nothing helps, a factory reset can wipe out all junk and make your phone feel brand new. But back up your data first. 2. Upgrade your battery for older phones. If your phone lags even after all fixes, your battery might be the problem. A battery replacement can restore performance. And there you have it. These simple tricks can speed up your phone and save you from buying a new one. Which tip worked best for you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.